Alright guys, we're at the Scion XB 2008 inside. Nice and freezing today, 30 degrees. Anyways, we're here to check the wetness of the carpet. Looks dry, it's a little crunchy. Got this moisture detector. I have a video on that and the link below if you want to go check it out. Anyways, let's check the moisture content of the carpet. Wow, 23.5%, so that's pretty high. So moisture is getting into the car. This car has no sunroof, no leakage inside the windshield. I cleaned the engine drain cowl, checked everywhere, make sure every drainage is clear and unclogged, but still I am getting water intrusion. So what could it be? Let's go check out one spot that many people forget to check. Stay tuned. All right, we're on top of the car here. Windshield looks okay, no separation. Obviously no sunroof, so we have no sunroof drain. So a lot of people fail to check here, the tray underneath your drip molding, and it's an issue with these Toyotas. As you can see here, there is a major crack that runs along here. So I have it on the other side too. Let's go check it out. All right, we're on the other side. As you can see right here, there is a major crack. So like I said, it's an issue on these Toyotas. Gonna use some seam sealer to fill that up. I highly suggest not using silicone or any other caulk, as it can affect the metals on the roof of your car. So automotive seam sealer is the best thing to use. So let's get this thing cleaned up, apply some seam sealer, and get this problem resolved. All right, we're at the cart here. Got my aftermarket generic drip molding. Cheapest one I could find on Amazon, 20 bucks for the pair. Cheap $14 auto seam sealer, half price compared to your 3M. So first things first, we're gonna be cleaning up the drain channel, applying some auto seam sealer, getting some 3M double-sided automotive tape, specifically automotive. You don't want this thing to be flying off on the highway. Gonna be applying it to the bottom of this drip molding and then applying it to the car, and we should be good. So let's see if this half-price auto seam sealer can solve your leaking problems. Let's go clean up that drip channel first. All right, so upon cleaning and wiping everything down, you can see how bad this crack is. And let's continue all the way down. It doesn't get too bad in the middle, but once you get toward the back, you can see the crack starts to split open again. So we're going to be applying this automotive sealer all the way down from front to back and get that seal plugged properly. All right, let's get this caulk gun filled up, ready and primed, and apply some sealer. And remember, use your gloves because that thing is sticky. All right, locked and loaded. Let's go put some sealant on. All right, apply some seam sealer. Use my finger to make it nice and clean as possible. So far, covered up all the cracks all the way down to the back. So let this thing cure out and apply some double-sided 3M tape to the molding and just put that on. As you can see, the deep crack is fully covered. Hopefully one bead is enough to seal that up. Time to do the other side. All right, got the driver's side done. All right, it's been 24 hours. This thing seems to be dry. Might need to wipe it down before putting on the 3M tape. The reason why I'm putting on the 3M tape is these clips tend to snap off. The front ones seem to be fine, but let's go check out the back. As you can see here, the back bracket snapped right off. same thing with the passenger side. So kind of a coincidence there. So what I'm going to do is use this 3M automotive double-sided tape. So I'm going to be placing it underneath the bottom of the molding trim and sticking it on into the drip channel. The one downside is if you want to take this off again, it's going to be a pain in the ass and it might be permanent or leave a residue, but you know, it needs to be done. So let's clean up that drip channel, apply some tape on this, and see how it looks like after. Alright, so for these Scion XBs, what you have to do is slide this part into the bracket here. So you might have to bend this up like this and finagle it so it'll slide into that bracket there. So your mileage may vary depending on what kind of car you have, but that's how it works on the Scion XB. Alright, as you can see, there are some humps. So what I did was cut off a piece, insert it into the channel, and press down on the molding so it sits flush with the roof of the car as seen here. I've added some tape into the channel, now it's sitting down. So all you need to do is just apply some more tape, for example here and all the way down there, and you should be good. So we'll check back in a few days. It's supposedly going to rain, and let's test that carpet out to see if there's any water coming into the car. Alright, another important thing is this tape takes 72 hours to fully cure and provide 100% strength. So it's best to check your weather and plan ahead, and do this when you have 3 days of dry weather. So this thing, you know, stays strong to keep your molding from flying off your car. So just a note on that. Alright, we're back in the car. It's been raining for a few days, so we're just checking up on the moisture. So far it's bone dry in here. That's a little residue from the moisture that accumulated last time. That's the infamous AC drain hose that loves to leak. Unfortunately mine is clear and it's not clogged, so I don't have any worries there. I made sure I checked, and this is one of the drain hoses. That one is sealed also, no leaks there. But so far, no rain at all. I am totally happy about the fix, and we'll keep an eye out, and hopefully it won't come back. Hopefully that body seam sealer did the job. So if you guys want to check out the products that I used to fix this, look in the description, and good luck to all of you. Thank you guys for watching.